ne kereno.
Ona me do ya me ya yere we boyfriend we ni si ma.
Abe no just bring that guy matter. Only a past since one. Oh, what bony him? Oh, when you sometimes say, a guess in we only we want to take serious. See, and I have a walking neck me. A boy in low make baby get you, eh? Ah, Jesus. Ye lu make baby ya lu me. Ma believe we may boy in low get you. I know wulele.
That's true.
Why are they like that?
I don't really know my sister.
Ah, some guys, eh?
Ima but so I want to know ya no bia. Again you can do ya we wa. Ah, we are okay now. To get we. Yeah, I must sit in quarter.
Babes, that reminds me. Me tell we get we are taking na vegetable market with Sapler Road.
No, you never did.
Are you serious? My love, you needed to be there. We give me a slap be there. Let's get this basin no. Imoto ni mela o ma fast saying. We give me you know we are. This. Boy na me wa wu na me get you. You needed. No, you needed to be there. We got me. I can't make Jehovah weakness not see more, but not with Jehovah weakness in Israel. Because the way they get manada school again, you wake from up on the woman.
This is me. Well, my friend boyfriend
Ex.
It's not your ex. It's not your ex.
Only short when they get man where think get man who. I beg you.
Where the Rafik there, Elisha? As in, Obi Ayasha.
You know for me, sir, we got me in.
Oh, and now where? And 1 million and go ye. In yourself, weapon. Then, I'll rock back. What's the can of ye? Easy south or Colombia. My sister.
You will may say, I may want begging. You will give me a money and make me no card or no. Because one of the even the if we give you a money or the money may tell me this person. You show where me, you will get at your body, you won't know why
I'm most all about see my sister.
Call this woman where the big come water.
You don't go push for them for this house today. You don't go push for them for this house today. Come.
You might be waiting. I want to make call. They make noise.
Who use my water I put for backyard? Say I want a bath.
You get water?
Water I fetch for black bucket. Put for backyard. Do use them.
I don't know. I want to call person we around the follow by pure water. What they follow by?
I don't know. So carry my water. They say
They make noise. I want to do. I don't know.
Me shook off for say I was asu.
I don't know where you go. Dress. Come at yours now.
Hey! That one me say na me water asu take bath. Go the share for outside abi.
Take go beg you now. Bini. I not.
Hey! Na me water asu take bath. Hey! I go turn all of una for this house. When I not say let no dey, that man just pump me. I go suffer fresh water so that I feel wash on that way I take walk last night. No, I go use the water take bath. I go turn all of una. I go turn you. Go turn asu. Go turn me. All of us go faint. This house, mostly you will do like wait till they know they use again. So I'll show you. I'll show you because you know if you come be me, because they use me the share. I'll show you.
Your body to the hot. Why if I not go fear where? Why if I not go fear where? Headache worry you, no fit worry me. I reject them. That make when another fit come up for us go travel. Don't make what finish in evening. Your mother go cook soup. Go take it by Masha. Come go hustle for everything finish. Yes, me follow you, idiot. Come ask me what I again.
What's that for? By the way, I'll turn over hello, sir.
Baba, when I yak by what is he?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. By one receipt. Okay. When we're here, on here, you could put more your bedroom. Well, we have your dry cleaner. Okay? While we're so weekend dinner. Okay? Who won you? Carry on. All right.
Baba, you was in my your water.
Kasu, hey, no, why go me? Why go me now? Why go me then? No, here go me. We go me. Why the me now? Why the me va ko the nu bu ogbera me go me. Ya lo ye gbe me.
Ima we me we. You understand? Ima we me we ya pay.
Wa pay dere no hu. Dere no hu. Ani ami nu ta dede gbe no mu mo hu. Gbogbo agree we me go so papa no na asa e va gba na mo rire. Gbe ri me ni me. And if you go here, only go never. Now bad I do for you. And you go borrow ways. Where sir?
We go in the no give you we go here eh?
In the garden. No one me when I will go back. Uriye shani stay. Uriye you do. Wogi glitter here we go ver. Uje Jesse. No one me what talk panu. Dey your me house agba or work ba oyeke.
Excuse me, man. I mean you why me away. Man there do are you. But all man we. You are going to not talk about my wear so understand. If you using the way I take dress so you know say me get where I go.
That's it.
Eh?
Man not talk about your wears. I want this a singlet in the Aru with the sachet 500. A this a 5 na 5. Ninga go give us some teddy. Wa would they black and they agbe wari so work me blue. Oh yes. Sasu rigo me. But not tell rigo me. They want go tell me wears it.
I will beat you. Ya gwe. When you go tell na. Ya ga gear that's when I'm more dangerous. Ya gwe again na. What you going away? And secondly you're going away. You may also for some time now. Ya be je bypass there. All be ya yo. What did happen?
Uozo, umaozo, sasu rigo meme. Sasu rigo meme. Wa agbe me. Uwe ko bi agbo mu go ma agbe.
Iye we ayota ya gbo lebe. Uwoko oyeye. Unyi mewe na. Yori wodo. Una wi
sasu rigo meme adeto age ma unu ge ma uni arigo me gume ya lu eno italo. Unyi me no rugo
we love water.
Sasu.
Gabo. O dede na so no na me gbe de keni. Who gave on wa?
Oh, se tão rindo esse meu pai, eu não me banho. Olha barulho wa. Eu não vou na base na.
Hell, do ma make it to try wana. Do ma make it to try wana gbegboa.
Sister.
Wow. Ya tu tayo wa. Je baba kare ne.
Ora give me money. Give me money oh. Na want to talk. Abeg give me. Give me my money. Oh wow we. You know me. Obi go no mama. You come be come you be give me money. Give you I go pay. Madam wait. Take am. No you tell me that take easy. You know what you do? You know what you do? Say be debtor. Give me money.
Where should they happen now, madam? Why you hold this on someone like this?
This one awesome.
Just a disgrace for public.
This one awesome. Madam, they owe me money.
Now, finish talk and come on down 1,000. So where are they also? Make you go my friend.
Sister, many weeks. Don't do you. How well?
Wait.
Let me say
Because of 1,000, you are the disgrace person. Ah, that makes no make sense.
you know concern me. Give me my money at the time. Larry, man.
Ah. Thank God, Jerry. You don't go home, I beg. Which kind of problem?
God save you.
God save you too. You mad. They don't pay. They talk and I'll beat you.
You don't do anything. You don't get to say it.
Now make you never marry.
I know that house of mama. Ne kwenu.
I'll call you all. Now make you never marry. So your mate don't marry. Feel bad head. Mother left you. Come that go. Why you? If you don't take the fire, go catch for your head one day. Yeah, papa. Come on, 1,000 naira. They disgrace your head. Now make you not girls my soul. Sad. Anything where you make me come buy food for your store again. Call your dog or your Igbo boyfriend. Make you gather that. You see, I can't tell you the will of the girl who.
Hey, Osiri, we sit down the top here.
Let me hear you. You won't even laugh here because I'm you when. No, when you are there, when I need to tour.
Mary do have to wait. Eh?
To the nonny.
Oh, ma, okay.
You
What's the to me?
so far.
Senior G. You have me a plan soon, no day. And me hear it.
You can almost one.
How why, man? You know when you are taking without unity. You are here, me what do well, but what little bonnier, one cute boy. Oh, why rob you even on your marry or say no thought to no.
We didn't go our way. What were they? No matter what they will walk bomb you have.
He made there. We are meaning of home. See. Oh, so get you. Oh, no. Tie. What of you ever now? But 1,000 naira. Come on, 1,000 naira.
I don't understand. 1,000 naira can. 1,000 is something you had the card in your phone.
Igbe women no woni o. Yo je na me we table ani go edeni o marry gie azin onu ba ti e bone mo igwe ha no de.
Mini ona ide neni go ne the boy.
You know he the woman.
The woman.
Eh.
Oh mama. So una worry neni una worry ne the woman. Yeah. Okay, fine. Who asa ne the boy na bi?
Yeah.
So what the gbomo the matter rebe na?
But we give go tap ba. How we sunu give it tita we.
Okay, we tell mama ne who asa ne, but when we hear the gbe tell the boy ya cute. O so no time we grandmother ya bi ororo me na you kin wo jino ye gi no me magi ye. We wa concentrate ya, we wa emphasize ye define the cute. Ororo no pa.
O se we are me wo bi na. Ni metana. If you boy ya tell we sin is believing. We are me boy na mo say.
La wo say me ima oni me be me the boy. Boy no ma setting ya come 1000. Ye na me we me the boy cute the sin is believing. La wo Samaritan lady anytime. Ani gbera ni no de. Emi o we akin na the under different on suppose na go akan be na. Boy one boy one side boy no setting pay 1000 wa mu na munya mu. La wo ya ke mo be.
Mo be mi abona. Opa. But I must say, go ahead and well, and I graduate. Mommy, go just swim now. Oh, mommy, or my no employed in me now. He got tired on the commonalize him already. It's not fair. The boy must sell your baby wine.
Base, la wawale, no come wale me. Ko anyway, what I was so my way de young mama with the eye. One minute cute fine boy, handsome, no, ororo, grandmother, yeke, Rosie, one motor. La one more here.
Sasu, my friend. They just message me from village. Come tell me say, my mommy know you're this hard. The enemy don't see badly. I mean, I know you're getting money for her. Wow, what did they do? I don't know. They say no, they chop. Say they don't feel sleep well now. You're tired, so.
You many of them.
Hey,
I almost moved back with good. Don't hear you. Oh my God, you say? I said she was somewhere. No, I'm not a.
I don't tire. But money want to go to Tana. I'm not on the panel. So based on like my friend, I don't know whether you go see something hustle with her back or hustle. I will pay you back.
You not supposed to ask me. You not supposed to ask me to say money day with me. No day. Yesterday you not say I be rainfall. Water no say.
I'm not carrying money now.
Water no say. I wish water say now forgive you like 1,750. Maybe you put your take to your man. Water no say at all. The person will call the cash, never put the bag water. No.
Lie, my brother. Let me no feel hustle yesterday. I'm very good for grab.
You see? You know, guy be. No, just they say this week and next week. No, say I go. Any I be, we'll still do it together.
Thank you.
I'll
Very
try.
good, my friend. Man, don't forget to. Now, you want my friend to. Mommy down on my neck.
No, she not there. She not there. Wow,
You know what?
I say she not there. Now they call her for English.
Okay. So the language now, wow.
Yeah.
My mommy now, now sister, just you know, got me from being like.
Yeah, I know.
Madam, ti ademi. So púpọ̀ no ya temi awani.
Ta bene.
Wo, me. Pare bo eni ni asa na iwa na do ga me we 1,000 naira.
Abe ni kun mi ni. Wa gwa lo.
Madam la wo ite we no ri address o me do won gwa ge.
Amma ya ge mo ta. Wa lupo na so to. Wa le wa kian, kinu po wa e. Kina me wa o si ba. O te be papo, o be roma. O wa be la, wa le, o la so te kina me wa le se ba. Wa di o ko do wa ko bi on se. Na de ma ye we ni ya ba.
Men we age no we agwa lupo na wa so to.
So to fo fe wa fo.
E we gbe van bo, e we gbe la so to.
E de no bi je me.
Madam, we say so po men we age na. Ona okay na. Yeah, and then I'm your boy. Yeah, where you going? Come, Madam Wesley.
Yeah, te ya mose. This really what you calling me over here.
Você me boy me rock my baby on isha. No ya ati wa ewe no de owo ya ne de oni. Oye na me do develop feelings ni. Do awe me boy ni.
Sorry, do wo gba nu we won kan.
Ona me we ya je wo gba ni mu 1000 he na ni ah.
Oh, that guy.
You know.
I don't understand. Who develop feelings ni the guy?
Yes.
But have you seen him since the other day you paid for him?
I haven't. But Ekinina ya Nina be 1000 a woman you dey on. So you know that guy. Me and Giria no stay you man. So my ya go love maybe ya go love.
Please, me understand the way. The girl met me since then and we were developing feelings in him.
My sister, we may not have feelings. We may love up there. I know you understand the way, but I know now what
you loving this guy is not even the issue. But if you not suppose no consider era.
Era me awo, yet is a boyfriend. Yet I am a boyfriend. You understand? We are trying to tell
Girlfriend, the matter who said is a boyfriend. I just want you to be careful. Because I don't want anything that will hurt you. You should know who your dad is. Because now when we need to behave here, he will not be happy with you. And besides, he's not going to take it like with you. Okay, fine, Wayne.
Who is there? Wow.
Aligi.
Costa boa.
Costa, vamos pouquinho.
Costa.
Onde vamos lá?
Omega apani gwa lo so papa no o te direct ni ade ma we ma na stay yi. E di girl mo bot na gbe. Imo boy di boy but di boy ma tan gbe be oni.
Agugwa eniye na road na mi eva oro wa na. Opa ye tepu we ni na no pa be zogose no pa average of we ni na.
Not aseni no.
Ke no ready aya wan.
Wa no.
Uga hiyo ja uboni ku nesin bo vela dia ne eni etan kraya no ridu na. Eni ota me ma get de gbe ne yan kiro wen get de fe ko wan ne. Eni hian me bo ne ge wa hian wa mi wan video ni 4 5 6 uye de back ne. Egbe ge na ye hian kan ota ewe ne wupo ni.
Sister Lao, e kan ota here.
Me line of business already. So ba no gba boy koko Tony.
Mata ni.
Costa. Ba ti we worry me na ta mege go no do.
Never mind. E worry sister. Omo here ade pe we se o.
Agbe don't worry. Wogi rogbe agemi na tie me o. Ore ta mego ma be ni na do nemo nyenyenye. Iya da wa depo ne riyan flinge yo flinge ere. Ogo meje wu bumi ade. Eni na ladiano. Hey, o mami ego ni no ro na mo gwa lade wa na. O ma ne gwa lo ma no me go gbe karu da be ne ge na ya mo gbe baba na. The girl o something your let it am she o something. O na mo me ade wa na ru da yon ma ne ase asrent. Okay ase asrent that de ta lo. O mo mo di ma gbe kan ona ge wa na mama. Oma never met. You didn't get it. I must say, am I in it? Yoke better, man. I am now never met. Very nice.
Hey! My baby!
We are gonna manage, babe.
I don't understand the way you talk.
Today when you no fit still go sell water now for you to just still stay as use cold water take bath may you rest may you shield your balls wabe zozola wove you want still test that son
my matter take concern you some beat me or not beat me why take concern you the business when they do if rain fall you know they sell now I say son na my life for the move forward
your matter no concern me o now me how I dey where your matter come o person call look for you o one fair girl call look for you he say they look for you I don't know wetin you go do o.
Okay. Me. Which can be that one? What did they call her?
Never met.
Never
met.
You can like play. You might be good to answer that kind of name. Never met. That one a person name.
I ask her what to be your name. Say never met.
God forbid, but
See. Keep quiet. You know why they tell you this thing? The reason why they tell you be say because they not use and send me message. I not there yet come the entertain visitor for now. If you go find trouble, come for our side. Hey, or you're for you, you are on your own. Because this are so. You know they pay us rent. Before you pay us rent, don't talk. You no fear, body no shake you, body no pose you. Fever no cash you can't carry barrel, you can't write as address for that kind of game, can look for you for us. Hey, if you find trouble, come. The way I say play the game, enjoy like ball. I will turn that too. May you find trouble, come this house.
Make you keep quiet, too loud to make matter. Which every time to the open for matter will not concern you. Even if I go find trouble, can concern you?
You be very any person.
You self, you be very any person. See, the day when I go get your time for this house, God. Which kind of house I can't rent for you? This will not be the first house when I rent for this Benin since I start Benin. She said, I know you also say, I saw your market not say yesterday for just when you go the hustle. I for not follow as I come and follow back at come out.
Go find your key yourself.
See, as I this one, I don't get your time. Today, where I want to relax for us. Hungry, now make me come out so. I want to go find me a bad food where I want to chop. It to say, I know say you there outside na backyard for follow come out. Because as you there, so everybody will know you for this area. I don't say you be
for follow backyard na mocking. See as person be.
The way I go beauty for this area.
You not get sense. You be a very any person. But yeah, on va we va no queen no joão. So we say again do. If you find trouble, call this house. I'll tell you that day. I'll tell you say, na me in charge of this house. Why go le visitor? One man move no ko ni mo say. Inye says in ya deveki. Na grass address it no man very on. Oh, better not be for trouble.
Now welcome.
And let me confirm you that day. The court say you dance.
I have no problem.
No problem.
Because my co-tenant tell me say I don't go find trouble. But no vessel. I don't remember where me and you perfectly know before you find the pass. Me no vessel.
No problem. And that day that woman called drag you. We call the draw money for you and 1,000. Now me pay the woman.
Oh, hey, you don't change. Hey, yeah, now God will bless you.
Amen.
That woman when they use left, that bad dead woman. That woman is now small thing I buy you. He say hey, because I no quick pay. The days all they can't say you got the put interest, now the money take this 1,000. Thank you. How you couldn't know my house?
Now she describe you.
This woman will kill you.
What's happening?
Madam, make you no get. But that day when you pay the money, you don't tell me say you come drop me for us, you are beg. I never get money.
I'm not going to draw any money from you now. I just come here to tell you say more be friends.
Eh?
Yes, now I just came with your.
For your man, you sure?
Yes, of course.
I feel like so many don't be friends now.
Yes, now.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem. Hey, what do they do for you?
Okay, me and you don't be friends. Make you not vessel. Today when you take console, not be the day when they pick on the vessel. Because me and my friend would already ready us now. I want to go all zoo. We went for the whole zoo, our daily pay.
Like, what do you do for a living?
They sell some things for Odom.
Things like what?
All those can water. The day we will see get money, we will buy mineral now. Now we manage our life.
Okay, like how much? Like how much profits now they get?
Hey, we dey see money well. Not reason that matter. Money did that business so. The day we go resell, say everywhere cold, everywhere hot, weather hot. Weather hot. And they sell like 3,000, 4,000.
Wow. 3,000, 4,000.
But the day we market no day like this now like 1,000, sometimes 700. Sometimes you don't go lose at all. Your friend never come back for you, come return the water, go free. Then they understand us.
Wow, that's nice. What if I pay you today and I ask you to stay at home?
Eh?
How about that?
Nah, that kind of thing they happen.
Hold on. Take this 8,000.
8?
Manage it for today.
Madam,
And let me have your number.
Madam, thank you.
Thank God.
My number 00.
Hold on now.
Okay.
Call me.
Madam.
Let me have your number
Okay,
so I
madam.
can
No,
call you
no.
anytime if you're around or not.
Okay, madam.
So I'll pay
Number.
you a visit.
Okay, madam, number.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Give me
Okay.
your number.
00 74 58 58 58 58.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I have to be.
Hey, madam, so they say the Benin person wey good like this? Some Benin people good though.
How you Benin person you be?
No, I no be full Benin like that.
Alright, no problem. Just take care of yourself, eh?
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma. Thank you, ma. God will bless you. Hey! God don't butter my bread today. Jesus! Hey! It don't happen. It don't happen. It don't happen.
Papa.
Eh? Eh? My guy.
Eh?
Welcome. I don't know say you did as I don't shout. Hey, God don't do it.
You go carry water.
Water care. You know, say I tell you, say somebody find me power that day. Hey, wait, my book, they tell me, say I don't go find trouble. Now, me the file girl, now you're there, side there, sis.
For this house?
Hey.
Thank God, say no, this house I do. This house.
No be small.
You carry person come this kind of house?
No, you can't come, if I come. So, it ask me, say, which work I drag and say, now, they sell water for inside, go slow.
Yes, I will.
Say, how much would they make it? Then I say, we see plenty money. So then you can say, want pay me, make I not go work today. Oh my God, cook boss. My brother just bring 1,000 come out home. Then I count 8,000 pay me for it. I say, so they might relax myself for us.
Aye, la lie. You still need to talk like. How you get this kind of 8,000 naira? La.
I say, person dash me 8,000, even collect my phone number. No, okay, I give her my phone number. Yes. Give my phone number. I say, go to bore me every time.
That is not Benin person.
Benin person so good for inside.
No, sir, big problem.
Una good though.
If you know, say, na truth, go buy 3 bottles for me.
Eh?
Yeah.
No, we'll drink wisely. I will buy you one meal for us. I bet if you have to drink the bottle finish, you pass there, go the horse. You let me sell that water away. You bring because say they don't even buy to put other fish. Let me just sell and you help me to give them money. Carry the profit.
Okay, buy 2 for me. If not true.
That be a big one.
Yeah.
Get up, go buy it. Get up, go buy beer for you.
With the go.
Yes, now come.
With the go. Hey!
But I don't tell you.
Who not go? No.
I say money good.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You don't know this one.
This life is real. Tell you now. Oh, this small shit.
And the key one here so sorry and sugar. I want to tell you something. In what I feel and what I see in my spirit, I can see it. Waiting they happen to you now. Something is happening. I tell you yesterday, say person can never come they find woman. Sorry, woman. Person can never. Woman not they do something free.
Huh?
Woman can never come a long way from distance to say okay, they want to come and see boy.
Now make me the fear say I've been a ritual this sister want to me do.
Not a ritual. He's not a ritual mate. So before person go come out like this, say he want to come see man, something not there, man. That girl is LOVE.
Eh?
In his
No.
How come? Una no be Benin. But you dey answer Benin.
Na long story o. Na true. That to Samede I dey answer my mama na from Benin. Now my daddy na come from anyway. So I small that time, they 10 years my daddy don't die, don't go rest. Now me and my mom come there stay with my papa. After burial, now my papa family come say my mama no be Benin, no be come carry house for people land.
Are you serious?
Drive my mommy, me and my mommy, so we take find ourselves for Benin. So this Benin now, I say, but Lord, man no go fit sit down for her, say no go chop. Now my come begin go dey sell can water for under bridge. They gather small money. Now the hustle they do that too. So it's life.
So I'm sorry to say, where your mommy?
Hey, my mommy, since we take company, I don't like suffer around that they suffer so. My mommy not too dey strong like that. They sick small. And she come go for a far village for Uzala before you back. And that's how my mommy got this thing. If I see hustle small money, I gather like 1,000. I can't give them for motor park. May they go help me give my mama. Now we take the survive college as we do so.
It is well. No worry. It is well. God will do everything. I'll find money give you. May you go carry your money.
Thank you. You did not try for me well. Now God will bless you.
Amen.
My helper. Thank you.
Thank God.
Thank you.
Dem no longer when I dem no mama no na dem no when I dem ne problem we we go le boy no afraid mommy boy agbon we boy no lele e go slow kian e go slow me go slow e go slow ba papa va no yin kan water no go mu we
we are talking about my feelings here. Hey, feelings me na all boy. Me ma understand where. Ha.
When no da me mo e boy ni e bi owie do owie hon
owie do pa no o salo ba o jagun ya you know what o salo ba jagun ya owie do owie hon iwe mo eni won ni tana o ma kan wo choose up ya me o be gbe me
loro
hama wani ni wa oni hama won ni ta no man business we ni man of it won ni tana
o ma serious we abi me be
wa we mo gbe me ready wa mo gbe ready owie hon keke owie o pa ahi apa ahi na mo na gboji mama ta o mama ta ye e finish ni me ne no mo advice ye nu
e mo me gbe me be re na
ki pe ne gbo e money dey at all
e no go mama o agbon lele logo sa
Samede ika ha mo ewe edona ya mo e na aso
You say?
I felt you say this being I go teach you how to tell the speaker.
Okay.
Yes.
Talk again.
Samede ikata mo ewe ya ma we ikata mo ewe edona ya ma we na aso Yes. The master is master. I come master when the other one. If you want coffee way, come eat. Dorie right, come eat.
Dorie why?
No be Dorie why. Do rie va he Dorie va he Dorie va he.
This one language too hard.
No, you sabia.
This one language too hard.
It's too sweet. Oh yeah, let me tell you another one again. Ahia, it means go.
Ahia.
Ahia, not ahia. Ahia.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Pronounce it well now.
Okay.
Ahia.
Ahia.
Gahia.
Ahia.
Hey. Which of the Benin you don't learn?
Like Larry.
Correct.
Igwebo.
Tell me, big boss said,
Era, Orwameno.
Only Bobo for them. Only Bobo said,
Woman, a teacher.
I'm so happy for you. He got one way.
Me Jackie. Now I did you put in a Talomano where it's very good. I can't.
Are you serious?
As soon as I tell me, we go no.
I'm so happy for you. He got one way. At least, anything you do, I'm well. Anything you do, you're born well.
Yeah, I came in a better me.
I'm so excited.
Sasuma man. Oh yeah. You do ya to. My girl. Yeah again na no for elogo sawan. I dey to ta wa teach me straight.
Elogo.
Don't dey gbe.
Me pa ni here itama we na. Mami boya fe no ti mercy all the cost. What to say that to Elogo?
You say?
Elogo will not go use the career because he's not be Elogo.
Elogo boy.
Then Elogo can yell at no go my. If not be Elogo for no t-shirt this thing. You don't even know I finish.
Ah nah.
Aye. Jesus.
Yeah, you went to my do. I learn we. I learn me we from my woman Elogo. Yeah, mo moto mu ale ko ba. Mu yewe. Ma wala we ko ba. Awe gan ro we wa ni. Ayi moto ba jam ya.
Okore ojo re ko ejo. Wa je ki agbado ọmọ. Wa je ki agbado ohun we jam ya do. Wa je ko wa je ki oba. Emi opa mi ro ni ya o emi wa. Oba ima ti e. Oba no yu tete no we so ma ti oba ima. Jodo rogo de o.
Okay. That is Oba market get power. O ma dey on ma ye nu bi ni market.
O ari on do ma kan me.
Edo o dey gbe me rita me this girl Elogo. That amana we gbo maro we do. Oh, we do ma we gbo edo. We gbo we ma. We do igbo. Oh, do mass. Baby, go yo. For ama mi baba na se to den go tissue wear. My brother, I go ro me gbo na me ala de yari pepper soup we bie.
Be me.
I no go me na one person na this ni mo pa no. I me gbede tara.
Yo.
Good morning, my friend.
Ti gbede ba o. Ya ti egbo na we ni won abo den ya gbo etubu. O se no wan no mu kekan sita ba na sin. We ya ta me we guru my friend ofo. Eya. Ebo wa ya sun re. Edo Nigeria no wa do we na e kian to bo ge. Ya ti ebo ni di on no mari ba no we ade. Omo ye fie ne.
Hi.
I dey fine.
Where are you?
Me tell wa dress up, you know where can follow in the house.
You're blessed and you say they come. Oh, yeah, when you are doing.
This one I come from your house today. I thank God to.
So maybe I give it to my
Okay now.
This thing I want to tell you so. Now, Bini, I want to talk. Because you don't hear me.
Me honey o.
Osamede. Mommy, I couldn't be welcome. You when you come away, you went away. You went away, Osamede.
So imagine we okay.
Yes, from my heart.
Okay. You
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. Where's his kakabo? Where's he? So, Papa,
I hope any problem.
no problem.
Oga ga di na mugu. E ga mu no ya kan bu ne di ya.
Thank you very much. What's it?
Hey, my friend. Hello, sir. Hello.
That is Osevino.
Yeah.
I see you. Are but anyway, what is your name?
Daddy, Osabidi.
Shut up. Me know what I ask you.
Oh.
I want to know when you oh, what you know?
Usamede sir.
Usamede. Okay. My friend. occupation? That's what did you do for a living? That is. And what is your qualification of education?
Businessman.
A businessman.
International businessman.
Okay. That's good. What kind of business? Who with international businessman? I'm a Degi. I'm a Otoboyejo. We are there. We move to Nigeria. We do have market. We are here. Maybe from China, Dubai, and every other countries.
I also now. We also at the sale meat can with our bypass no that borrow do Pabio John with there na yeah ba jime wa ni wa so no gbale o Samede International the best hustler here am we just funny at the sell water go so you need 4,000 naira gain there and the hustle I get the strength
Hello, sir.
Daddy.
Hello, sir.
Daddy.
But we are not also you are a disgrace to this family. That we're mine now when you are a disgrace to this family. Okay, anyway. We are not working and married or we international businessman. Me now we you are be my kibu yayi about business binetio Chipta Kafteosa about business. Ordinary time no weakness of your work. This thing waiting you can't water a road up. You have to take bypass me and name me. The one ordinary one. Then the second one of it is where are you from? Ubigbo. How?
Them for my hustle grab. Them must have swallowed them gather the hustle.
Shut up, your man! Idiot! Ubigbo. Unyamiri no mama. It's when you and you are baby here. You might be aware. No man, no shit. No get joke, Ray, or he been that take care of the hair. On a way, a big book, we won't be good. We here can't want to be the motor. But so I rule a little motor, and so the way I go back. Oh, don't know my friend, keep quiet. Shut up, man. Leave my compound now. Leave my house! Don't worry, go on. Leave my house! Idiot. Look at your life. Anyone will get that boy again. Looking at this, so see. The mommy on undergraduate to me, who pull out where. Oh, no, can't water idiot in a big bonnet. You are a disgrace to this family. You are a disgrace to this family. Who you remove your man? Get it! You are suffering. What you are going to go to there? You go to mama. You are going to give you another way. You are learning to talk. You can't water. Oh.
Oh, come. This one where you got the is last night, so, eh? Where you have no sunu, you want to yourself, eh? They who are no log way. Why are you afraid the girl? My friend of the red class, you know what? Bobo, you went big man. Let me where tell Guaru let it go slow. No blame.
Wait, you happen. Wait, the apple. Don't really happen. No wala. I will take her. I was saying, no wala.
I said, if not this Benin where she up, she try. She try for the Benin.
Wait, he pay me pass for his side. As I reach there like this, if Papa you come out, with the face will be like tomorrow. Nobody know what tomorrow will be like. The face me like that. He come just make a secret. The next thing, hey, okay, wait. Maybe we reason like man to man. The next thing they say, "Bahawere, get out." Then you begin a paro. I say, where the money that fuck me up? So I get money also and I pay big jeep for you. I said, I go call the tell me say, "Rame, Larry, I don't know, I go put drink for me." Oh,
But I say be.
Yeah, sure.
For your men now, you na man, you want for no reason. You see say na they carry long bola, they say they come. Na bank account, na they talk whether you be man or not. Eh? You yourself your food, you go sit down, you pack everything come up for us. How it can't be you now when they pursue you come this time? How it can't be for you? You got reason. Go find the one who not together.
No, I'll find my size, I'll find my class.
Yeah.
See me, we'll get joy together. We'll be happy. So somebody like you now, we be saying we did the same class. Now, greediness they worry you now.
You dey okay? How many of now did the same class? Let's see they do this one. Say because I dey advise you, may not go drinking those seats there. Don't mean say we did the same class. You know they see they talk to. I never try for myself. Eh?
I still they try for myself.
Because I said me I had chop my money, don't mean say me and you did the same class. Yeah. Okay yourself, oh. If na your own, she'll come back. So no go kill yourself. No say never pay us rent, now you know.
Jessica, we are tamu wena, we are judging. We have believed in me are tamu wena. Wait, I don't know so. Can you imagine? Era me na we boyfriend me you wanna. Ana kwefo. No iwa dame sebo. Era me wona idolegbe la wana. Owo na idolegbe la wana. Owo ya idolegbe mi owo tin ehia hu me fa wana.
You might understand. We Martin go sigbe. We Martin get right here kwe. I know this thing will happen. I know it will happen.
Jessica, every year fed me watana. Oh no, we me tayo.
Yes.
Like seriously.
Dem no wait when meter. Ni so atu. Era who boyfriend be kwa la go sakwa boyfriend la go sakwa. And so okay to where you address me yari no go this why. It will not have come to this. It would have come to this extent. Okay, sick in Raje, but you didn't listen. Madam ho.
Guy, he went tamawo. Jessica, uwa vera me o, uwa ma o. Epo eni, imi hian friend eh.
Like
Epo eni me hian lele. One minute tana. E hian lele. E no sunu we no sunu. Deru doni ubu ise keni jewe. Me hear say, "Diogwa weja, stay in your house."
Logo.
Yes.
Like seriously?
Yes, I'm serious.
Only can water.
Yes.
I don't get it because of a common can water seller. Can water they go slow back pava.
Guy, no de can water ni hini or you me weni. Oh ya me we mo e.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ibege. Me wa bege ga me we hia won e bi o.
USA.
We are wa me mini na me wo am hia ga slow ye ko.
USA Jessica. Thank you.
Me boy. The boy can water no here can water like papa.
USA. Wa we mo e.
If you see the insult, oh yeah, no kwa.
Down who I thought you were. Waiting up.
I know if you cry. I go low house. I don't even know say. So if you are already there, but don't finish you. Cause say we are career. I say talk on him. We are career. I come tell and say see we have for come. As I don't make sure we have for come say Igbo. I'm not happy say you know say business my own. The next thing we get out.
Oh, come on. I told him, man.
Say my level not reach picking home. I be you go. No my man or all.
Why you not tell us say you be Igbo when or your man or all better one you be?
Madame ho.
See, may I tell you, for Benin, that's what they do. Benin rich men, they know they agree me poor boy come they ask of their picking. They see they need rich man picking. Rich man picking so that the ministry go they go like that. As you see, you know, say poverty is written over you. You're
good, not do like that.
Just
I just turn. I don't want to take a movement for style.
Oh, we move for our. But very well, you're to move. How can you just they go there, trip out? Like say you want to go there buy the recharge card.
No be love.
What if be love you for let me only one they greet you. No be only go they do they see for us.
Oh yeah, poverty.
Thank God say you not get mama or your mama not there. I don't know. For poor total for everybody.
Anyway, there.
Na so you ma well do we be do for any.
Ma.
We be do for the we na.
Na ma me.
Na.
What few
ball with yeah. Go for there. On na ma go take money on the man. Na be on the man. I be on na money
Hello, sir.
Daddy.
I will be traveling to Abuja first thing tomorrow morning. I will spend up to 2 weeks there.
2 weeks?
Yes. My official meeting, Mahiayato office man. So I'm representing my office there. And you only call your donor, you know, you here, do work your whole thing. So one of Bauge, Kaki was 20 kiri, visual, many kiri. Then you are one of you, the one with bar. Me ko ilu mo di ana wo wa be ni ko wa be pa one thing me wa dey we inya go we e yo go we be don dey kan wa na. Are you with me?
Baba yi me nuta so mo pa no we ita na yi na me to we bo se han me o to bu me uro wa o igba o ge nia
Ya na ma wa ba
Baba yi me nuta
o ni you nuta
Baba tell me sit down e gbere wa pa ne
no me no tell
Baba yi
e bu me o yo bo kan o ga we ni ti akere e bu e and we e no sumi wo wa na bi yekire di ye ma ka ma ga na usa try no tama le yare.
Okay Baba
Don't remember.
Essa me Ibi go na go no ya amujwe ke igwere na me ke na do treated do dia Sawasi. O sawasi. So pa no pa ni hire mi awe. No la go no yo ba wo boy. E ni ra me tama we. Eze yo ye. No la o.
You wesi.
Dame forgive me ra me na o.
Okay.
No ba tu. Era me ti ka mai mi hia o. Eri me ti ka me wan me hia lele. No la o yo bo we ko la wo. Oma, ome kini we is get ready go na go. Kale kini.
Wesi.
Mana.
Oh, sabade ba.
All right. All right, later. Where go?
Let's see. Get that man. This bit. Huh? Yeah. Mari, yeah. Wow,
Oh. Walking. Who let you walk me? Ah, I've given you money now.
I know.
Where you going on about it? No, you
Baba, I go here.
There you go.
I will go. Baba, we don't go walk me around the room. You kufa ni. What's this dialogue? Oyere.
We borrow money yet, man. Oyere, you wanna? Okay. Hello, sir.
Daddy.
Come here.
Daddy, give me.
Lover.
Sir?
That is me telling me one and me who no say. Abi, logo obi boni me when ga yila one and me who for. Could you believe what you really want?
Daddy, are
Yire.
Am I there?
Logo obi boni you want.
Am I
Then when I go when ye or not, me to be me hem ni ga. I hem ni ga logo. Then we on him one fear back. Don't worry. Okay? Me hem ya. Oh yeah, Alawa. That's office.
Daddy.
Lawa.
Baba.
Hey, Soke. What do say now? Soke. Who read the who? Oh, what for the bonnet?
Lawa, sir.
Baba.
Hello, sir.
Baba.
Hello, sir.
Baba, you know, sir.
Me na come way me travel. We are about one. We are in a one where you wanna every day.
Baba, baby, only masuno. Ha.
Where?
Baby, only masuno, Jimmy.
That's one not time me we told you.
Mother, only so my baby, only masuno.
When now where you we may a hotel. We may women be able to yam you with one. It didn't be. Where I tell me many. Where me honey?
Baba, I'll say no.
I say well no.
Say
So we can no. There's no problem. Okay. Else we can.
No, Baba.
You know what you would do? Or say we can. You only me. You got only me. I want to see him. Okay?
Yeah, Baba.
You only me.
Yeah, Baba.
You remove the wire. Idiot.
Emi abana we na una watemata iwa sewe umana temata uwu owo e o sokin boya hai baba we omado ana enu wa go bia do ana enu wa na sister meno sokin wa mi nu na hai baba ge iwe ni bu inu menu ya hai baba ni ona si okun ona si eti mo nya ga go wa na ujo wa kentia no ni temo na
me go be se na gbo we mi o wa iwo obi are pa o lawa wa so abegi se me
Mr. Samedi.
Pardon.
Abokia.
Comment ça?
Yeah. I've checked it from my right to my left. Well, and I can allegedly. I've reasoned it within myself. It can't be the woman. Or my the thing is, I have finally released my doctor to you.
Pardon, where's it? Where's it, sir?
No, don't mention. Don't mention. It's okay.
Yes,
It's okay. The only thing I remember be right. Kevin na bana wa heavy no hira go why understand. You be na be do aro we. Okay kenye o wa we. My dress o wa we irieme. So that don't have it pa worry. O manari yo wa. Ma be do hold all day ba ni obe ije ma me kina see I don't know ba worry ba ma say I go wa worry. But sere o wa we. So you just give me your house address. So from there you have your right to leave. You have your right to leave, my brother.
What's so wrong? Our address is wrong. Where are we going now?
One more time.
Yes, Daddy.
Because I know you met one on here. Why can't I understand? Don't marry the real one. Mawa be okay. Na check over. There you know why I didn't have it.
Good idea. Why don't I marry me?
Daddy, I'm going.
Wow, marry me, bro.
Where's
Daddy?
No problem. Don't mention. It's okay. At least. Agbonu ma iye na ni wa ya amomo we ele lo bi ara na wo yan le usi e o ma de ba ni destiny you understand so mention it's okay you le go o we be mu ase no be bi odo bo yan be o mo do ni so I'm happy. No, it's okay. You can go now. You can start.
Daddy, then it's sweat.
No problem.
Merci.
Where's Daddy?
No problem. Okay.
Daddy.
The address of this boy, Baba Kana, read the petition. Baba Lakboni, you know what Lakboni? The only house no my plaster, or you know what? You understand? My plaster, you know what? So Lawo, what barrier?
Awo yani keru moto.
Okay. A boy, why you bother come on?
Domo sa.
What deal with a kakabo on your way?
Oh, you mean money? The money must be Mando. Okay. Go one of my plaster. Le Sazua Street.
One of Sazua Street.
First house, na my plaster.
One way, one my plaster. One
after Maro.
So Lawo.
After Maro.
On your way, boy, now.
If I win,
what need to go to your man? Off your boys, Ray. You are threatening a life in me.
Hi.
This very small boy.
Another petition.
You understand? So Lawo, you guys, you need to act fast.
Don't worry.
Oh, waro one now.
You know.
Okay. Oh, waro one. The commissioner ya call eh.
Afemero.
Because we will deal with that crabo. Thank you very much. What's here? The boy, we knew. He can name him in your back. He will see the other side of me. Quiet. The bear will bow.
No noise. Madam.
Take it to his car.
I don't want to hear anything from you. Follow me.
Police lab.
Daddy Lao. Daddy Lao.
No matter who we're near on me, that's what we're near. Anything to wear. Where I will not be wet.
Daddy Lao.
Don't worry.
Daddy Lao.
Where worry. Now one. Yati ye ya wa do mi maju gbe no yati e di mi. Please, mother, where can I find the mechanic around here? Vehicle mechanic.
Not before this village. You go town for Inewi.
Inewi made town. That's where I can find the mechanic. Hey, you have one else and look what you are in the made town Inewi.
We are doing.
We are doing. We are doing. We are doing, sir. We are doing.
We are doing order for me.
Yeah.
But they are way off.
Where are you going?
They are no position and way. Come and come and walk. Why got a boat to go to?
I'm so very tired about where I am. No way. Yeah. So, when we got feel there, we are going to go. I'm not.
But they are way. Question. I are way. Yeah, why got a boat to go to? My belly or what year? You're in. I will not go later. La on va au titre on vient ouais. Ya so vient au mieux au venir ici à Jotel na.
Where's it? Hey. But you are the name and how you feel. Yes, away. Upon so when you are beneath
you whatever we need me go. Oh, you
work and go. What you are not to bear.
Eti wa moto na asa me. Iyo kwa romo no ni bu eru ai.
Oma wese kakabo. Mo be me no wana ni. Salopa no bu bia mi no.
Ise.
Owo kimi wa mi na.
Eri o ga be bia mi omo no.
Yes, mo pa no. O ga bi owo. O mo no la owo. Owo kimi na bi bia. Owo ni here the ese no me na make na one. Where I will be not be a quo. Oh, could you be any other Janu?
Who put that the walking on your grandma where?
But take I'm aware me bear. Call your echo. Who put away here?
Everybody who put out the way. Why you put us so top? Okay, they even know if I'm bothered.
Okay, we'll put on the number. I am anyway. Because my body here, Etienne. Maybe Etienne. No do I mean to be no waiting on the day. Oh,
if you don't wait until they got 1 million, they are more you not before.
No, Ya ne wo. Oma. We na tell we. I go what's it? Oh. Ai. Ini o di wa la we. Ta mi so tabak we. O ti ko ko na du e mo to na ba. Oma. Na be we say. What's it? Oga wono gbe wa mo to no ra poli eke. Nina ka ma egbe ora bi oku o ki me na bi oku ya. O bi me ri o ye yi. Ora bi oku ya, o ki me na bi oku ye ri o mi.
Ka se wa ro mi beto.
Jesus.
Omo ki am wa mo na baba.
Daddy, I wanna ti mi pe o.
You may go bueno. I don't know. Okay, along the line, we have to act fast before the police case will deal with it. Let me call the commissioner. Hello, commissioner. This is me, Honorable Ilebo. Okay. I just called you because of that boy that I wrote petition against. And he was terrorized over me or terrorized over me. Yes, I would like your boys to release him immediately. I would like them to release him immediately. I will get back to you. I later realized it's one of my family. Remember? Yes. Let them release him. I'll get back to you before I go to office tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's okay. Okay, no. They get where they tell you, they boy no they can move. Umalele, they put their canoe away and the mail. There's no problem. No, you also must be right. You know, we did. Maybe another. All we know where they once or so what. Also, we commissioner one that you are aware. We know do. Many times, also when they are not. How you doing? Yeah, you'll be running. On the water, you see. Yeah, maybe you go. You need to so life here.
Thank you.
So what's it?
I said we are happy. Anyway,